Hi friends, I'm with my girl Poya and I'm going to show her how to style her wrap my way. Wrap base is ready. So this is how I start. I always start with one side longer than the other. Pick whichever side you are better at wrapping. So that side will be the longest, right? So you place it on your head this way, covering the base. Okay, perfect. So that's step number one. I want to make sure mine is long enough. I like to make sure the short end, like when I grab it, is long enough to tuck around the bun. Yeah, so I drag it and I make sure I can tuck it around the bun. And once you do that, you already, so wrap the long side over it, And then this is where you freestyle. You can either start wrapping the head wrap or you leave it flat. I'm gonna start wrapping it first, and then from here, I'll just either twist to add texture, and then now I'm already at the end. So I'll wait for you. And then I tuck in. And once I do, I go in and I shape. And that's it. And your head wrap looks perfect. It really does. Like, I'm gonna push mine back a little bit because that's what I like to do, but you don't have to. Voila, all done.